In this video, I will demonstrate how you can create a letterhead in a simple yet professional way using Microsoft Word. This method is ideal for business letters, formal documents, or any file that requires a clean and branded appearance. Microsoft Word allows you to design a professional letterhead by combining large text, custom fonts, and essential business information in one place. With the right layout and formatting, you can achieve a clean and business-ready look using basic tools available in the program. Start by entering the information you want to appear on your letterhead. This commonly includes your company name, business address, and contact details such as your phone number, email address, or website. After adding all the necessary text, you can begin adjusting the layout to match your brand or personal style. You can modify font styles, increase or reduce font sizes, and choose how the text is aligned, whether centered, left aligned, or right aligned. These adjustments help ensure your letterhead looks clean, professional, and easy to read. If you notice that there is too much space between lines and you want a more compact look, you can apply the no spacing style. This will reduce the line gaps and give your letterhead a more polished and organized appearance. To clearly separate the letterhead from the main content of your letter, you can insert a simple horizontal line below the header. This small design element adds structure and enhances the overall professional look of the document. Once you are satisfied with the design, your letterhead is complete and ready to use for your documents whenever needed.